Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nandana Muntar ko Sola Gilambo. Sabak grade 3, page number 8. Unit 1, ek number Saba family money for riba, friends money hoja. And Bade, I money I. Lesson 4 number Sabak, a happy family, Uga Kushit family. Listen who know and Bade say how. I am Linjin, this is my family, your family. There are 6 people, so Manush in my family, our family mother. My grandfather is an artist, and Dada artist Riakolia. He is a smart iti sundor. Mani akatakma bicha smart beda bicha habilan hunteria. My grandmother is a nurse, and Dadi Hodibuka Dr. Jani. She is kind, alhamdulillah. My father is a pilot and Bappa feeling a driver. He is a strong mujbut and but a smart. Bicha habilan hunteria smart sundor. Feeling salama bisa having the My mother is a doctor, ma good doctor. She is kind of alhamdulillah and badi. Helpful motos at color hunto. Unit 1, a plumber sabak, family money for river, friends money for Jan Badai money. This is my sister Imarbon. She can sing about Gan Gaibar and Bata Sansivar. We love our other good. You one another as another son. You are happy family and a good Kushit family. Ralleko about Babute, your family, to our family Babute, my family, our family and Hunteria. So, my family, this is my family. I have a sister. She can sing and dance. We love one another. Thirdly, Kidi Battaguri, Honor, like you